Okay, Sarah, what should we play now? We've had so many fun
We are
games.
going to play a little bit of a silly game called Fill the Shoes. We get to think about all these animals wearing silly party shoes again.
That's ridiculous.
For this game, you actually only need one die. So you're just going to need your number die. That's it. And when you roll, you get to choose what kind of animal you're going to take. But the tricky thing here is that, Jenna, how many shoes should we start with at our shoe party? Maybe 12?
Sure.
Is that good?
12 shoes.
Okay. So we're trying to fill 12 shoes.
Okay.
That is the goal. In the end, we need to have enough animals that we can put all 12 of those shoes, and we'll see who can get there first.
Okay.
So do you have your number die?
I do. I'm ready.
Okay. All right. Let's roll our number die.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh. I only got one. I'm going to take an ant. Because then I'll have 6 shoes filled, which is not 12 yet, but I'm getting close.
Okay. I rolled a 2, so I get to choose 2 animals. I think I'm going to choose 2 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'd need 8 shoes. I could put 8 shoes on these 2 cows.
Okay, so you have filled 8 shoes.
Mm-hmm.
I have filled 6 shoes. We're still racing to get to 12. Are you ready to roll again?
Yes. Exactly 12?
Exactly 12.
Oh.
So it's going to be really hard to think on this next one.
Okay.
You don't want to go you don't only have 12 shoes to fill.
Okay.
You don't want to have an animal with no shoes on. What if it gets muddy?
That's true. Okay.
All right. Let's roll. I got 3. Oh, 6.
That is tricky. Do you have to use all 3 animals?
I do.
Okay.
So maybe I'll play cows because that worked well for you last time. Let's see. I have 6, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Whoa.
Oh, wait. Oh, no.
You need...
Well, that doesn't work because then I'll have... If I bring out my other 2, I'd have way too many.
It's a really tricky challenge. Maybe we should leave them with this tricky challenge.
Yeah.
And let them give it a go because I think we need some extra time to think.
Yep, I might need to do some drawing to figure this out, how I'm going to use up my 3. But everybody else should go play.
Yeah. Get going.
Right.
Have fun.
Have fun.